So first of all, what is chemistry? What is chemistry? What is chemistry? The branch of science, chemistry, the branch of science, concerned chemistry is the branch of science concerned with the substance of which matter is composed the investigation of their properties and reactions. Student, what is chemistry? The branch of science concerned with substance of which matter is composed, the investigation of their properties and reactions. It means जो साइंस की ब्रांच है उसमें हम स्टडी करते हैं किसकी? मैटर की. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैटर. What is matter? Previous classes you are study about the matter, definition of matter. Anything which occupy space and mass are called matter. The classification of matter. Classification of matter to categorize, classified to matter. First physical and second chemical. It means जो मैटर है हम उसको टू कैटेगरी में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. पहला आता है हमारे पास फिजिकल मैटर, दूसरा आता है हमारे पास केमिकल मैटर. First physical and second chemical. Physical matter further classified solid, liquid, and gas. Physical matter further classified solid, liquid, gas. The particles of solid very closely to each other. Strong intermolecular force is known as rigid. Liquid. First solid. Second state of matter, liquid. The molecules of liquid very far compared to solid. It means जो liquid के molecules होते हैं वो solid की compare में काफी दूर होते हैं और intermolecular force of attraction very low. जो liquid का जो intermolecular force of attraction होता है solid की compare में काफी कम होता है. इसको बोलते हैं हम, it means fluid. Gases have not fixed shape or neither fixed volumes. Because the particles of gases very far to each other, no intermolecular force of attractions. The gases tendency compressible. Next properties, chemical properties. Chemical properties, two types: pure and mixture. Pure and mixture. Pure properties further classified. Pure properties further classified. Elements and compounds. Elements. Pure properties further classified. Elements and compounds. Elements and compound. Element further classified. Metal, non-metals, and metalloids. Metals like sodium, potassium, ferrous, it means iron. Non-metals, gases, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen. Metal-wise, antimony or bismuth. Compound also further classified. Compounds also further classified. Organic compounds. And another one is inorganic. Organic compounds. Sources of organic compounds like urea, carbon dioxide, oxygen and hydrogen. Sources of inorganic compounds, non-living things. Sources of organic compounds, non-living things like salt, NaCl, Na2, CO3 into 10H2O, washing soda, calcium oxide, etc. Next topic, fundamental unit. Fundamental. Next topic, fundamental unit. The fundamental properties that we use to measure matter in our inertia, mass, weight and volume. 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 And volume temperature, etc.